Hello, emotional fools. Let's be honest here. Do you really think if you keep saying all men are trash, I hate all men, or that women only want money, and whatever these generalized statements may be, do you really think that you will attract someone who's going to prove you wrong? Well, let's be real here. Let's talk about it today. How about how energy is like a mirror? What you put out is what you pull in. When you carry hate, resentment, anger, that is not the way that you're protecting yourself. That is actually the way that you're filtering the world through it. And love, real love, cannot grow on that soil. If you want better relationships with your partner or with your friends or with your family, you have to shift this energy. And no, it does not mean pretending that you're positive all the time or just like being happy and chirpy all the time when that's not your nature. It means choosing to show up like the person that you want to be attracting in your life. What I mean by negative energy is जब आप हमेशा एक state of survival में होंगे, you will always attract someone जो आपको वो survival में रखे, क्योंकि because that is the comfortable zone. आपको कहीं ना कहीं ये survival zone में रहकर, ये hateful zone, ये negative zone में रहकर, you have found peace, you have found comfort here. So anyway, subconsciously if you think about it, आपको क्यों चाहिए होगा कि कोई और आके इसको disrupt करे? So कहीं ना कहीं we end up choosing the partner जैसा हमें रहना है वैसे हम उनको attract करें. For example, if I am a happy person, if I always look at the positive side of things, I don't want to be taken out of this to be thinking कि oh my god, अब क्या होगा, अब next क्या होगा, अब ये खराब हो सकता है, अब ये खराब हो सकता है. मैं अगर ये सब सोचने लग गई, I will not be myself anymore. So when I was attracting my partner, there was one specific quality trait that I was looking for, which was always कि हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे, because that doesn't mean कि I wanted someone जो positive हो मेरे साथ में. I did not want that at all. I mean, I did want it, but that was not the main criteria. If I am positive, I just need someone who allows me, whose energy allows me to be positive. So I ended up attracting someone who's always very quick with the actions, who's always like चलो ठीक है ये हो जाएगा, चलो ठीक है ये कर लेंगे, चलो ठीक है वो कर लेंगे. And that leads me to be more positive, because then I think हाँ अगर ये कर लेंगे तो perfect, then we can do this, or if not we can do that. So there is always compatibility of energies. I have 3 actionables, obviously, like always. I have 3 actionables that you can follow in order to kind of navigate this negative energy, because this will hinder all of your relationships slowly and steadily without you even realizing it. People who are very sensitive to energies can understand what your energy is, and I don't know how many percentage of people really do that, but I am one of them, and I get really put off. हमेशा गंदी बातें करना, हमेशा बुरे ख्यालात में रहना, हमेशा नेगेटिव सोचना, being very pessimistic, ये सब मुझे anyway बहुत put off करता है in a person, in a partner तो obviously, but even in a friend, even in a family member, and that is the kind of energy that I push away from. So yeah, let's talk about these 3 actionables that might actually help you. Number 1 is speak what you want, not what you fear. Stop saying I'll never find love. That is the kind of statement I always keep hearing from people, and it's so negative because you just don't realize कि अगर आप ये बोलते रहेंगे कि यार मेरे को तो ऐसे ही होता है, this is the kind of men I always end up being with, oh my god, I will never find love, oh my god, I'm not made for love. Bullshit. You are made for love. Everyone is made for love. Everyone deserves love. But you just need to shift that perspective. You just need to start saying something more positive, like I'm open to love that respects me, or I'm open to love that cherishes me. I'm open to find a partner who kisses the floor I walk on. Like, it can be anything. Whatever you think is a more positive statement, brings you in a more positive light. I think that is what we're looking for, not the I nevers and I don't and I know and whatever. This is all we talk about in manifestation. This is all we read about in manifestation or like spiritual journey. It's always कि आप उनमें अच्छाई देखें पहले. बुराई तो बहुत है, बुराई तो आप में भी बहुत है. Speak what you want, not what you fear, because that fear will otherwise manifest into you always ending up with the wrong person and then you blaming yourself कि ये तो मेरे साथ हमेशा होता है. We need to really break that pattern here. Number 2, practice small joys daily. We need to do one thing that uplifts your mood every day. So be it like dance, painting, music, singing, just talking to people, playing badminton, doing whatever makes you happy, whatever uplifts your mood. The happier you feel alone, the more magnetic you become to people who are similar to you or who have similar interests or who have the same outlook towards life. इसको आप एक डेली चीज़ में आप कन्वर्ट करिए कि आप हर दिन या तो पेंट करेंगे या आप, जैसे मैंने, मेरा ये है कि आई एम अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन, आई लाइक टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विच आर क्रिएटिव. तो मैं सिर्फ एक चीज़ पे स्टिक नहीं कर सकती, कभी मैं कुछ करती हूँ, कभी मैं कुछ करती हूँ. सम डेज आई विल पेंट, सम डेज आई विल डांस. तो ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो मैं करती हूँ. And that brings me joy. That makes me a person who is very comfortable being alone. Because अगर आप अकेले खुद नहीं रह सकते, अगर आप अकेले खुश नहीं रह सकते, how do you expect someone to come and just barge in and make you happy? That is not possible at all. Number 3 is mirror the qualities that you are seeking. अब ये बहुत ही क्लीशे स्टेटमेंट है कि आपको be the person that you want to date, like become the person that you want as your partner. You need to first create a checklist. ठीक है, आपको एक चेकलिस्ट बनानी है कि आपको उस पर्सन में क्या क्या चाहिए. इंस्टेड ऑफ, ऑब्वियसली बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि आप पहले अपने आप को समझें, अपने आप को पेपर पे उतारें, अपने आप को पहले समझें कि आप ये करते हो. वो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है दैन चैनलाइजिंग इट इनटू समवन हु इज़ नॉट यू. वो बहुत ईजी हो जाता है ना दूसरों को पिन पॉइंट करना. तो आप एक लिस्ट बनाएं कि आपको ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए. अब उसके बाद आप देखें कि हाउ मेनी ऑफ दीज क्वालिटीज डू यू मीट, हाउ मेनी ऑफ दीज क्राइटेरिया डू यू मीट. इफ यू वांट काइंडनेस इन दैट पर्सन, इफ यू वांट दैट पर्सन टू बी कंपैशनेट, you have to be compassionate, you have to be kind, because you won't be attracting that person otherwise. You want stability, be consistent in your life. Like attracts like. The partner you want will recognize themselves in you. There has to be a common ground. I know people say opposites attract. Me and my partner, हम दोनों बहुत opposites हैं. हम दोनों का thinking थोड़ा बहुत similar है, but otherwise हमारे interests, हमारी hobbies सब बहुत अलग है. But he's exactly all of the things that I pinpointed in my checklist. जो भी मुझे चाहिए था एक person में, he's actually more than that. But in order to attract that moreness in my life, I had to be that checklist first. I had to be whatever I think is ideal. If I wasn't that person, I wouldn't be attracting him. So, I mean, maybe I could share some points in my checklist. I think there was key. I want the person to be compassionate. I want the person to love me more than anything in the world. I want the person to be spiritually inclined, which is really important for me. I want the person to have great relationship with his family. I want him to be really close to his mother and father and whatever, siblings. That is one of the criteria. The 5th one was, I think, the person should be really good at what they do. मेरे को थोड़ा सा है कि if you're not good at something, if you're not trying to be better at your work, I don't really like you, because that is the work that you've been assigned. That is the kind of work that pays you. You really have to push yourself to be the best. So anyway, that is my thinking. So these were some of the qualities that I wanted in the man that I was looking for, and I first became that. I first channelized my energies to kind of accomplish everything on that list. And until and unless that was done, I did not meet my partner, even though the partner was right in front of my eyes all this while. But okay, yeah, this is a great example to give you guys. This is me, this is my partner. We used to meet every day. Every day we used to meet for 1 year. Like, not every day, but you can say like week में एक दो बार तो मिल ही लेते थे हम. We were right in front of each other all this while. And until and unless I became this person who was aligned with what I wanted on my checklist, I did not see him that way. Like, he was always maybe seeing me, he always thought that there was something here. But until and unless I was everything that I was looking for, I did not even realize that this person was right here all this while. So that is like an example that I can give you to prove this scenario. Negativity will get you attention. Sure, आपको अट्रैक्ट आप करेंगे अट्रैक्ट लोगों को, बट पीपल हु आर नेगेटिव देमसेल्व्स, देन यू कांट पिक एंड चूज कि मैं नेगेटिव हूँ बट आई एम ओनली नेगेटिव अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स और आई ओनली हेट दीज मैनी थिंग्स, तो वैसे ही मैं अट्रैक्ट करूँ. नहीं, नेगेटिविटी इज एन इमोशन, नेगेटिविटी इज एन एनर्जी. तो यू कैन पिक एंड चूज कि जब आपके सामने कोई बंदा आएगा और वो नेगेटिव ट्रेट्स नहीं होंगे उसमें, बट उसमें और भी बहुत अलग अलग नेगेटिविटीज होंगी जो शायद आपने नोटिस भी नहीं की होंगी पहले. देन you'll end up saying कि भाई ये देखो ऐसा ही होता है. देखिए, जब आप एक नेगेटिव पर्सन होते हैं, आप एक नेगेटिव पर्सन अट्रैक्ट करेंगे. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. यू कांट चूज कि मैं अगर ये नेगेटिव है, मेरे अंदर ये चीज़ें नेगेटिव चीज़ें हैं तो चलेगा. इस पर्सन में अगर ये चीज़ें नेगेटिव हो तो गलत. उनमें तो ये नेगेटिव चीज़ें कभी होंगी ही नहीं. उनमें जो बाकी की नेगेटिव चीज़ें हैं वो और आपको उठ के आएंगी. फिर आप समझेंगे कि भाई यू रियली नीड टू चेंज आपका नज़रिया चेंज करने की ज़रूरत है, आपका एक पैटर्न चेंज करने की ज़रूरत है, और उसके लिए आपके लिए 3 एक्शनेबल्स काफ़ी होंगे. बट व्हेन यू आर पॉजिटिव, पॉजिटिविटी विल won't just get you attention, but it will also get you people and opportunities that feel safe, that feel honest, that come from a place of love and compassion and happiness and joy and all of the wonders of love that you are yet to experience. Because in my opinion, when people actually look out for such videos, if you are looking for this video, then I think that you have been really hurt in life and you haven't found what you yet deserve. So don't get disheartened. Everything will happen on its own pace. Love will come. Just need to give it some time. There are few things that you need to implement in your life, and only then will you see that person. So ye sab cheezein I'm trying to help you out with those. So these 3 actionables, just try it out. You have nothing to lose. It is only better for you. So yeah, share this with a fellow emotional fool who you think might appreciate the kind of videos that I'm making. और अगर आपको मज़ा आ रहा है, then please tell me, and I think your views will be enough for me to realize कि you're liking these videos. Because कल ही मुझे शायद मेरे एक वीडियो पे 11 व्यूज़ आए थे, एंड पहले मुझे लगा था कि 11 व्यूज़ तो बहुत ही कम होते होंगे बिफोर स्टार्टिंग माई यूट्यूब जर्नी, and now I feel like wow. Okay, I have to leave for my office now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.